Mixed bag on by-poll result. By-poll result hold lesson for the centralizing politics of the BJP and the Congress. The result of by-poll in 3 Lok Sabha seat and 29 assembly seat across 13 states and 1 union territories are a mixed bag for the BJP and the Congress. The ruling party in West Bengal, the TMC, got a resounding endorsement as its own huge victories in 4 assembly seats, while the TRS, despite using all levels of power in Telangana, faced a defeat in the lone assembly seat. The BJP took a considerable beating in Himachal Pradesh, where it rules as it lost a Lok Sabha seat and 3 assembly seats to the Congress, but it made gain in Madhya Pradesh when it displaced the Congress in 2 assembly seats while retaining a Lok Sabha seat and an assembly seat in Assam. It won all 5 assembly seats along with a regionally displacing the Congress in one. The victory in the Huzurabad assembly segment in Telangana may be the most encouraging for the BJP as it defeated the ruling TRS that had left no stone unturned to return the seat. The Congress defeat in the seat was so described that the outcome might point to a defining turn in state politics in Karnataka. The BJP faced a setback in the home district of the Chief Minister Bas Basavaraja Bommai. Reading took much into by-poll result in front with risks, but some board points are noteworthy. Taken together, the result show that the opposition is alive and kicking, but still divide of a national narrative program or leadership. This set of by election may not signal any consequential change in the national mood. HP, which gave a due beginning to the BJP, has only 4 Lok Sabha seats, while in Bihar, BJP rally in JDU retained both assembly seats. The polls show that leadership at the state level matter, and this may be bad news for the BJP that has increasingly centralized power and sought to undermine a strong regional leader in Karnataka. B.S. Yadurappa removal as CM appears to have come with a cost in Assam and other northeastern states. The imprint of Himanta Biswa Sarma is unmistakable in the impressive performance of the BJP in Madhya Pradesh. The credit for the party victories goes to CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the and Rajasthan. The extent of the defeat can be attributed to the lack of regional leadership, the massive scale of the TMC performance in West Bengal, and the corresponding rout of the BJP probe the formal complete grip over the state and the later continue struggle to understand. The party was termed in the assembly election earlier this year, and its agenda and approach continue to be distant from the thinking of the Bengali. As for the Congress, what matter more are the defeat in the MP and Telangana and not the victories in HP and Rajasthan.